Thank you for subscribing to Maple CRM software. This is a quick demo tutorial for you to start with the Maple CRM solution. Let me walk you through the system to help you understand the different functions and how you can use it. Log into your Maple CRM using the user ID and password that you have received through email. While logging in for the first time, it will ask you to verify your email address. If you have completed that process, you can proceed on to your Maple CRM system. If you have opted to do it later, then anytime from your Maple CRM system, go to Settings on the top right section and go to My Details tab. Under the Personal Details section, you will find an option called Resend Verification Code. Click on that option to receive the code through email. Once you receive the code, copy it and paste it under Verify Email. After submitting it, the verification process will be completed. Let's go back to the dashboard and start with the usage of your Maple CRM system. You have various options to browse through the different pages from here. In Maple, your customer or a lead is referred to as an account. So all your inquiries or client data can be added as accounts. Let me show how the inquiries can be added here. I am going to the accounts menu, under which I am clicking on Add Account option. So I can add the new client details and also classify them in terms of source, category and priority. The customer name is referred to as account name. You can enter the key contact person's name here and also add the location, phone number, email ID and also the address of the inquiry. Description or requirement could be a place where you enter the details of what your customer is looking for. Additional fields may be visible here based on the configuration done for your business process. So this is how an account page looks like once your inquiry is added. If you have an Excel sheet which you would like to bulk upload it directly instead of manually adding it one by one, you can contact our support team to guide you on that. Let me open an older account to show you few other details. So in the account details page, you can modify any of the values which is already added. There is one more classification level here which is called account status. Account status helps in moving this account to various stages so that you will be able to easily track where each of your inquiries or customers are standing today. You can move your account through different stages as and when the changes occur. Multiple other actions can be done from this page, like adding more contacts, adding remarks or notes related to this account. So this is where you can add all your interaction details that you had with your customer. Anytime you or your manager wants to find out the history, then this gives you a clear idea of what the customer history is and the behavior. At the same time, your daily status report is pulled from the same data. You can add reminders on a specific date and time so that the system can remind when to perform the next action. I am trying to add one such reminder for today so that I can show you how this reminder works. I have added one for today at 4 p.m. See, all the reminders for today would be visible on my dashboard. I can directly close it from the dashboard or add a new one upon the same account. If these reminders are not closed by today, then it would fall under pending tasks and would still be visible on dashboard as pending items. You can easily search your accounts using different conditions under advanced search. Like say you want to search all your accounts which have come through advertisements or the accounts which was created after 1st of April. You can input multiple such conditions and search for the accounts. You can also make use of instant searching option when you know the contact number or email ID of a customer, etc. This is a quick way to search your customers. You can define what all columns or fields that you want to see in here. This can be done by going to Settings and then View Settings. So for Search Accounts view, you can choose what all fields you want by just clicking on it. So now if I go back to Search Accounts page, I can see only those columns that I had selected there. Similarly, you can use the same method to configure the view settings for My Accounts page as well. You can go back to Settings page. For My Accounts view, you can remove whichever is not needed and add more from the attribute list. You can also reorganize it by just dragging and placing it. Now going back to My Accounts page, you can notice that the view is organized based on the configuration done under View Settings. Talking about emailing and SMS option, you can send instant email or SMS directly to your customers from the Maple system. You can find this option in your account details page. So from here, click on send email and it will open the compose box where you can type in your email along with the subject line. You can also make use of email templates where you can choose the already drafted emails so that you can save up your time. To copy other people, you can use this option where you can add other people in CC either through contacts or directly. You can attach files from your computer or from the documents that you have loaded into the Maple system. And finally, you can send the mail. Similarly, you can send SMS through send SMS option. You can also use SMS templates that have already been drafted or type in your message directly and click on send. You can make use of bulk emailing or SMS feature from the dashboard through the advanced search option. Search for the accounts using various conditions and then perform bulk actions like send SMS, send email or add remarks. Going forward, let me show how you can make use of reports or report templates. I am taking you to the custom report option where you can generate reports by choosing your own conditions and filters. Over the left, you can choose the fields or columns that you want to see in your report and you can reorganize it if needed. On the right, you can choose your conditions. This way, you can input multiple conditions. And then finally, you can generate the report over the web or download it into an Excel sheet. While generating it, I can save this filter as a template so that this would be available under report templates for my next use. So here is one such report that I have downloaded now through the custom reports. You can find the saved template under report templates. You can anytime open these drafted templates, modify the dates if needed and generate the report. You can also use the share report option which lets you to share the report to any other user. Further to this, you can also send direct messages to your team member or manager through messaging feature. This lets you to communicate instantly with your team anytime within the Maple system. The messages that are sent to you will be visible here and you can acknowledge it once read. So this was a quick session on how to start with the Maple CRM system. If you have any questions, you can contact our support team at support@maplecrm.com. You can even refer to the online help page for any questions or directly report your problem from here. Thank you for your time.